Hey, it's the channel you are supposed to be checking out. Maybe I can help you guys pick really cool products, and because I love cool products. And today's video, I'm going to showcase this little product over here. Probably some of you already have it, or maybe you're thinking of getting it, or maybe you don't know about it. So this is a product which is a light. As you can see, it's kind of turned on, and it runs on battery. It runs on AAA battery, 3 batteries, and it's really nice, especially when you have it. You know, it's a motion sensor light, so if it kicks on, especially if in a dark staircase, that's where you'll be able to see this. But don't go about this, okay? This is a battery that is failing. It's AAA batteries, which has gone past its life, and it just has a little charge in it, so it's not bright at all. But I'm going to show you also, I'm going to showcase a really cool rechargeable AAA batteries where you can actually use. And I'm also going to show how powerful and bright this little piece of kit is, okay? So if you have a stairway or stairwell where you want to put a portable light, don't have an electric socket, and it's, you know, much safer to just have it on battery based, this is what you want to go for. So let's check it out. I'm going to swap those batteries and see how powerful it is. It's a really good product, and I thought I might as well share it with you guys. Also, just so you know, this is what I use to charge my AAA batteries. If in case you want to have a full review of this product, it's called Power Owl. I've done a full review on this product. All right, so these are the batteries. I'm going to take 3 of these and replace it back into the product I just showed you. All right, so I've just replaced the batteries, and look how powerful it is. Look how powerful it is. That is really, really powerful. Or I'll show it to you where I usually place it. As you can see, it's on my stairwell, and it's an amazing product. It comes on using motion detection at night, and it's just all in all a great product. And that's one of the reasons why I just wanted to share that product with you guys and girls. Also, it comes with a adhesive to stick at the back, so if you want to hang it on walls, it's perfect for that. All right, then if you found it useful, make sure you subscribe or follow this channel. Next time, stick around for really cool products that I'm going to showcase on this channel. Take care.